You don't need 21 days, not 90, not even 7. You need one day, one honest day where you stop lying to yourself. Today, you can change your life, not by becoming someone new, but by stopping the pretending. Step 1. Step away. Turn off your phone. Log out of social media. No scrolling, no notifications, no distractions. Just you. Sit with your thoughts. Let your brain breathe. It will feel uncomfortable. That's where clarity begins. Step 2. Face yourself. Go to a mirror. Look yourself in the eyes. Ask, who am I pretending to be? Let it sting a little. That's your truth waking up. Step 3. Let go. Grab a notebook. Write down what's holding you back. Habits, people, lies you tell yourself. Then destroy it. Rip it, burn it, shred it. You're sending a message to your subconscious. This version of me ends today. Step 4. Move, release, breathe. Set aside 1 hour. Split it into 3 parts. 20 minutes, move your body. Run, stretch, push yourself. 20 minutes, write everything on your mind. No filter, no structure. 20 minutes, sit in silence. Just breathe, just exist. Step 5. Gratitude. At night, back in the mirror, say thank you for showing up today. Not for progress, not for perfection, just for presence. You're not broken. You're just buried under comfort, fear, and noise. One honest, focused day can reset your life. Stop pretending. Face yourself. Start living.